I am Aadvik. I would like to show and tell about my picture. Nature. Nature is the best teacher. Look at the sun. It gives us heat, light, energy, and the list is endless. It teaches us to lead a meaningful life. Fall and fail, but rise stronger every morning. Look at the sky. It teaches us that there is no limit. We can go as high as we want to. Look at the mountain. It teaches us to stand strongly in all situations. And friends, if you stand on a mountain and shout, you can hear your echo. It teaches us what goes around comes around. Look at that tree. Friends, if you throw stone on it, it will give you fruit. It teaches us giving and forgiving. Look at the river. It fearless and fury. It teaches us there is a will, there is a way. But friends, in today's life, we are moving away from nature. We should realize nature does not depend on humans. We depend on it. So, save nature, protect nature, grow more trees